Okay, good evening to everybody. Today we are going to discuss about dipole moment in chemical bonding chapter. First of all, we learn about covalent bond. Covalent bond means equal share of electrons between two atoms. Equal share of electrons between two atoms. The type of bond is called covalent bond. Covalent bond mainly divided into two types. First one is non-polar covalent bond and second one is polar covalent bond. Non non-polar covalent bond means when a covalent bond is formed between two similar atoms. That means covalent bond formed between two similar atoms. Such bond is called non-polar covalent bond. For example, hydrogen molecule, fluorine molecule, and oxygen molecules. That means non-polar covalent bond present between H2, oxygen, and fluorine, and best examples and nitrogen. Second type of covalent bond is polar covalent bond. That means if covalent bond is formed between two dissimilar atoms. For example, hydrogen fluoride. For example, hydrogen fluoride or hydrogen fluoride. The shared pair gets displaced more towards the fluorine since fluorine is more electronegative than hydrogen. Such a type of covalent bond is called polar covalent bond. That means polarity of a polar molecule is expressed in terms of dipole moment. Polarity of a polar molecule is expressed in terms of dipole moment. Dipole moment is generally represented by a crossed arrow. It is shifted towards the more electronegative atom. Less electronegative atom gain positive charge and more electronegative atom get negative charge. Now let us discuss about dipole moment. Dipole moment means it is the product of the dipole moment is defined as it is the product of the magnitude of the charge and distance between the centers of the positive and negative charges. That is called dipole moment. Dipole moment is the product of the magnitude of the charge and the distance between the centers of the positive and negative charges. Therefore, dipole moment is equal to charge into distance between the two poles. Therefore, dipole moment is generally represented by letter mu. Mu is equal to q into d. Q represents the charge and d represents the distance between the two poles. Dipole moment is usually expressed debye. 1 debye unit is equal to 3.33564 into 10 to the power minus 30 coulomb meters. Dipole moment is dipole moment value is expressed in terms of debye units. 1 debye unit is equal to 3.33564 into 10 to the power minus 30 coulomb meters in SI units, where or 1 debye unit is equal to 10 to the power minus 18 ESU centimeters. Electrostatic unit in centimeters. Now let us discuss about dipole moment. It is an vector quantity and is represented by crossed arrow. Dipole moment is represented by crossed arrow. Now let us discuss about applications of dipole moment. Applications of dipole moment. Okay, dipole moment, see the diagram. Dipole moment value 1 debye unit is equal to 3.33 into 564 into 10 to the power minus 30 coulomb meters, It is expressed in centimeters. Its value is 1 debye is equal to 10 to the power minus 18 ES centimeters. Dipole moment is helpful in predicting the geometry of the molecule. Dipole moment helps in determining the polarity. Dipole moment can distinguish between the symmetrical and non-symmetrical molecules. For example, carbon dioxide molecule have zero dipole moment because it is symmetrical molecule. Dipole moment is zero. It is represented by O double bond C double bond O. Both the bond dipoles present in opposite directions. Both dipoles cancel with each other. Therefore, net dipole moment is zero in case of carbon dioxide. But in the case of water molecule, its bond dipole value is 1.85 debye units because it is angular molecule. OH bond dipoles present in the same direction. Therefore, it exhibits some bond dipole that value is equal to 1.85. Dipole moment values also helpful for the distinguish between the cis and trans isomers. Cis and trans isomers can be distinguished by dipole moments. Usually, cis isomers have a higher dipole moment and hence higher polarity. The cis isomers have a higher bond dipole values compared to trans isomers. These are the few applications of dipole moment. For example, some molecules, type of molecule, AB type, example, hydrogen fluoride, bond dipole moment. Okay, AB type molecules are linear shape. HF hydrogen fluoride bond dipole 1.78, hydrogen fluoride bond dipole 1.07, hydrogen bromide bond dipole 0.79, hydrogen iodide bond dipole 0.38, H2 molecule bond dipole 0. H2O molecule, for example, molecule AB2, H2O molecule. You see the diagram, some bond dipole moments of the molecules. Okay, yeah, thank you.